running something like a Hemi. My wrist on gold just like a Hemi. Live life fast just like a Hemi. In the fat lane just like a Hemi. I'm just running something like a Hemi. My wrist on gold just like a Hemi. Live life fast just like a Hemi. In the fat lane just like a Hemi.
Yo, what up, YouTube fans? Your boy FLA back at you. And finally about to do this video. I had ordered the speakers a couple weeks back. I put them in like a week ago, man. I just ain't really had enough time to even talk about it or do anything, man. But they in the car. I'm about to do a quick little comparison video. Didn't really do an install video on this. If you need to do an install, you can go back to my previous videos. I'll have a link in the description below. And you can watch the install video there. I wasn't about to record everything all over again. It's pretty simple anyways. But yeah, I'm going to show you the speakers I got. And then, you know, just tell you what I think about them and the difference between the kickers I had in the previous car. So let's get to it. Alright, there you go, guys. Let's go around. As you can see, decided to go with JBLs. I had kickers in the previous car. You know, I was pretty satisfied with the kickers, man. They sounded good, and they definitely, you know, like they say kick, they definitely had some bass for some 6x9s running on a stock amp. So, but I just wanted to try something new, you know, go a different route. So I got these JBLs. They're not the most expensive ones you can get. They're like mid-level JBLs called Clubs 9630. I think the higher models are like the GTOs or something, which were like an extra $20–25 per pair of 6x9. So you know that would have been an extra $50. I don't know if it was worth it or not, because these sound pretty good already. Like I said, they're already in the car, so I'm just showing you what they are. 240 watts, RMS 80. If I'm not mistaken, I think the kickers were either like around the same, 80 or 90 RMS, something like that. So it's not too much of a big difference. But the kickers definitely kick, you know, more bass. I ain't gonna lie. They definitely have more bass than these, but I'm happy with the clarity of these, as you're gonna hear here in a little bit. But yeah, altogether I spent less than $200 for 4 6x9s, 2 3.5s, and 3 sets of adapters, because you need 2 sets for the 6x9s and 1 set for the 3.5s. Alright, I'll have a link for all that in the description below, where to get the adapter, speakers, all that. So I'm gonna go crank this up. I'm gonna pull up somewhere, go take a little ride. You already know. Got the baby wet. Went out to Daytona last night for truck week, so you'll be seeing that video here shortly too. So holla at your boy. Let's get it. Yeah. About to try to this little ducked off spot. That way, you know, I can lower the windows, do a quick little distance test or something. You know, let y'all hear it from outside the car. And I'm about to, you know, let you hear real quick, but inside the car really ain't gonna do no justice, man, because you know the camera's gonna be pretty damn close to all the speakers, no matter where you put it. So it's not gonna be, you know, a real accurate description, but you'll get a feel how clear it's sounding, and hopefully it picks it up. I don't know.
Yeah. My wrist on gold just like a Hemi. Live life fast just like a Hemi. In the fat lane just like a Hemi.
Alright, man, there you go. You heard it inside the car. Let me pull over here in a minute, and then you can hear what sound on the outside, and that's about it. But like I said, man, I'm just happy with like the clarity. Like yesterday I was riding Daytona, windows down, you know, 80. Won't say exact numbers, man, but you know, flying down the highway, windows down, and you can still hear the music pretty good. You can hear all the hi-hats, you know, all that. So you know, I'm pretty happy with them. All right, man. Let me. I'm gonna pull over to this little road that I know is a little secluded spot. That way I could drop the windows, walk around the car, you know, let you hear it, and that's about it, man. You I'm pretty happy with the clarity of these speakers. They don't hit as hard as the kickers, obviously, but maybe with an aftermarket amp, it'll wake them up or something. So we'll see. But they sound crystal clear to me. I like them so far. What am I gonna do? Take them back out? Nah, man. They gonna work for now. So let me pull over and finish this video. I'll let you boy.
In the back lane, just like a Hemi. Niggas for the sideline. Strapped up with the ball ties, block my teams. Just can't fold in another direction for the cash. I'm old focused with my eyes open. See a clear sight, what's blind folk. She fucked up, I don't know why. Some say I'm tripping, that's case.
You already know, man. I think the kickers, like distance test wise, they're probably a little bit louder. You hear it, further back. But I ain't gonna lie, man. It doesn't sound clear, man.
Money coming fast, real bad lately. My son gotta eat, and I'm high maintenance. Just running something like a Hemi. My wrist on gold just like a Hemi. Live life fast just like a Hemi. In the bad lane just like a Hemi. I'm just running something.
You already know, first time to the channel, hit that subscribe, like, comment, holla at your boy, man. I'm gonna have a lot of stuff coming. Like I said, I was in Daytona. Truck week was crazy. If you into them big boy trucks, you gonna see that on the next video. Holla at your boy. Play Hemi, over and out. The aftermath, boy. I take it a football field, bruh.